Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza veggies. First, select a colorful array of fresh vegetables such as bell peppers, red onions, and cremini mushrooms. Ensure they are firm and vibrant. Next, wash and dry your chosen produce very well to prevent a watery pizza. Then, slice everything into consistent, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness for even cooking. This initial preparation is key for delicious results. To enhance flavor and texture, pre-cook your harder vegetables. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add sliced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. This step removes excess moisture and concentrates their natural sweetness. You want them tender crisp, not mushy, so they finish perfectly in the oven. Now it's time to season your pre-cooked vegetables. A pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a sprinkle of dried oregano or Italian seasoning will elevate their taste. Once seasoned, spread your favorite pizza sauce thinly over your dough. Then, artfully arrange the sautéed vegetables across the sauce, ensuring an even distribution. Don't overload the pizza. Less is often more for optimal cooking. Finally, bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The exact baking time will vary, but typically it's between 12 and 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. For a fresh finish, sprinkle with fresh basil leaves after it comes out of the oven. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza with perfectly cooked veggies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.